Research shows that victims of domestic violence are exponentially more likely to be killed if their abuser has access to a gun. And in fact, 45% of domestic violence homicides occur shortly after separation, most within a few days. We are extremely mindful of the exponential rise in lethality during those first critical few days after a domestic violence case has come into our system. We see a lot of the same patterns with domestic violence abusers: coercion, jealousy, control, isolation, weaponizing children, weaponizing immigration status, the disparity in power between the offender and the victim, be it because the offender has better access to even things like communication, transportation, economics, all of it. It's actually quite stunning, the variety of tools that a domestic abuser will use in order to gain power and control over a victim. I think the thing that is so concerning is it happens gradually, and sometimes it happens in a way that a survivor is not realizing. So something that could start out as maybe just, oh, my significant other is a possessive person, or, oh, my significant other wants me all to him or herself. There are little red flags and indicators that we see in these relationships that unfortunately they then can escalate. And what we've learned as we've continued to prosecute these cases are that there isn't a real predictable cycle or a pattern. An abuser can come out of the box 0 to 60 and commit a homicide with little to no warning. And so rather than call it the cycle of violence, it really is just, I think we are very sensitive to the idea of it's a complex dynamic involved with victim trauma exploited by offender coercion and control.